What's up, ninjas? Brendan here. I've just started using Devin recently, and I noticed over here that I have a new thing called Devin Desktop, right? And so here's the blog post about it, but essentially it looks like Windsurf now has the entire UI that you get in the Devin web app built into it. So I've downloaded it, and here it is. Let me just install that right now. All right, let's run Devin. All right, so I've got to log into my cloud account. Awesome. So it's already got my projects loaded up in here and I can do everything.